Dear friends, this is exercise number 6. This is the last exercise of reading comprehension. There are 7 questions here. If we read these questions, we see that question number 2 and 3 are simple, but all the other questions are creative. So the answers of creative questions may be different from each other because everyone's way of thinking is different from the other. Let's start the exercise. Question number 1 is, what do you think is the main idea of the story? Dear friends, maybe you think the different, but I think, according to myself, the main idea of the story is a friend indeed is a friend in need. So the question number 2 is, what did Raheel do at the time of danger? This is a very simple question. Raheel broke the promise and left alone his friend at the time of danger. So dear friends, this is the way you have to follow. Stop the video here and answer all these questions yourself, and then resume the video and try to match your answers with our answers. And I remind you once again that the answers of creative questions may be different. Thank you very much, dear friends. Now the portion of reading comprehension is complete, and the next step is speaking, and I hope that you are enjoying. Thank you very